In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Canva. Cropping is one of the simplest but most useful editing tools in Canva. It helps you remove unwanted parts of an image, improve the composition, and make sure your photo fits nicely into your design. Whether you're working on a social media post, presentation, flyer, or thumbnail, knowing how to crop an image can make your layout look much cleaner and more professional. To get started, open your design in Canva. Once your project is on screen, look for the image you want to adjust. Click on that image to select it. This is important because Canva will only show image editing options when the image itself is active. After selecting the image, move your attention to the top toolbar. There you'll find the crop option. Click on crop to enter cropping mode. As soon as you do, you'll see the crop boundary appear around your image, which lets you control exactly what part of the photo remains visible. Next, drag the corners or the edges of the crop area to choose the part of the image you want to keep. This is the main part of the process, so take your time here. If you want a more specific shape or proportion, you can also choose a preset size from the crop panel on the left side. Presets can be especially helpful when you need consistency across multiple images or when you're designing for a particular format. If needed, reposition the image inside the crop area. This is a really helpful feature because it lets you fine-tune the framing without changing the crop box itself. For example, if the subject of your image is slightly off-center, you can move the image around until it looks balanced within the selected crop space. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Done at the bottom of the left panel. Canva will then apply the crop and return you to your design. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image in Canva. If you want the best results, it's always a good idea to zoom out and quickly check how the cropped image looks in the full design. Sometimes a crop can look perfect up close, but reviewing it in context helps make sure it works well with the rest of your layout. That's the full process for cropping in Canva. It's quick, easy, and a great skill to use whenever you want more control over your design.